Understand the box model for perfect layouts. The box model is fundamental in web design, defining the space around elements. It includes margins, borders, padding, and the content itself. Mastering this concept ensures your designs are both visually appealing and functionally sound. Let's dive deeper into each component and see how they interact. Every element on a web page is essentially a box. This concept is fundamental in web design and development. Understanding the box model is crucial for creating well-structured and visually appealing web pages. Let's break down each part of the box model to see how it works. At the core of the box model is the content. This is where your text, images, or other media reside. The content is the most important part because it holds the actual information you want to display. Surrounding the content is the padding. Padding is the space inside the border that creates a buffer between the content and the border. It ensures that the content doesn't touch the border directly, providing a cleaner and more readable layout. Next we have the border. The border is the edge of the element and can be styled in various ways such as solid, dashed, or dotted lines. It helps to visually separate the content from other elements on the page. Finally, we have the margin. The margin is the space outside the border that separates the element from other elements on the page. It ensures that elements don't overlap and provides necessary spacing to maintain a clean and organized layout. Let's dive into a simple yet powerful example of CSS. Here we have a basic code snippet that you can use to style a div element. Copy this code. Div or padding, 10 pixels, border, 2 pixels solid black, margin, 20 pixels. Notice how the padding, border, and margin are defined. Padding adds space inside the element, the border gives it a solid outline, and the margin creates space outside the element. Try tweaking these values to see how they affect the appearance of your div. For instance, increase the padding to 20 pixels, or change the border color to blue. Experimenting with these properties will help you understand how CSS works and improve your web design skills. Keep practicing and have fun with it.